Hello, Unity Spiritual Community of Central Oregon. I am Ray Davis, and I will be speaking this Sunday, March 29. Do you find yourself spending more time than you'd like, wondering if the world's gone crazy? With all the political turmoil, the imminent threats to our environment, and social divisions we see in our country, do you sometimes feel angry, frustrated, or hopeless? Maybe like me, you wonder if there's anything you can do to help. I mean, how can one person alone make a real positive difference? My talk for this Sunday is titled The Only Solution, in which I'll introduce you to a life process designed to bring us from hopelessness to helpfulness, from no power to all power, as we face the difficult times in which we live. This life process is designed to result in our own spiritual liberation while also helping us to heal the world. And I've got a wonderful song for you called The Least of These, which I hope will inspire you to do what our fifth unity principle says, to live these teachings and not just know them. So join me this Sunday, March 29 at Unity, and learn what the only solution is. Oh, and bring something to write with you, because I have a wee bit of work for you. I think you'll enjoy it. See you Sunday. We're going to have a holy good time. Shalom.